Hi guys, I'm Anup from TwinsAI, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use your contacts page to maximize your applications. So first of all, let's go to contacts. As you can see, you're able to see your contacts here. You can filter out the list, and if you have connected your CRM, you are able to see the contacts from your CRM and sync with them as well. And here you can add new contacts. That's just one by one if you want to add just one contact on your, and these will be updated on your manual contact list. But if you like to add some of the contacts in an existing list, you're able to click on three dots, and if you click on the add contact, from here when you are adding contacts, it will be updated in your preferred list and as well as the manual contact list. To upload the CSV file, we support that as well. For that, you need to click on here and you have to download the CSV file. We have a separate out template which you have to follow, and you can put the information there, and once you have uploaded the information on that file, you can just drag it and upload it, drag or drop it here, and once it's done, you are able to see your contact information there as well. If you don't see them, click on the sync contacts and select any of the list. And if you don't see your contact, you can click on the list and then click on sync contacts. Then you should be able to see your contact information. When you have uploaded, make sure to click on the preferred list you would like to have and then click on sync contacts. Then you'll be able to see your contacts. You can also edit their informations, and when you click, you are able to see their conversations. You're able to edit, delete, and everything. If you do have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@twinsai.com. Thank you.